Happy Valentine Day!
What's going on here? Oh, that's all it is. Sipping paint? That's cool, hey.
So I would say that Valentine's Day so far is a success. Keith loved everything. Thank you for tuning in. He's in the shower. He just had a 13-hour day at work. So I just felt like, you know, it would be only right for me to prepare everything for him. He was gonna cook me this big dinner after he got off work. So I called him. I was like, you know what? You don't have to worry about cooking me a dinner. You can do it tomorrow. He was like, thank God. So little stuff like that just shows me, you know, like he really does, you know, put forth a lot of effort. But anyways, so we're gonna do sip and paint tonight. I have everything set up over here. We're expecting you guys to tell us who painting you like the best. All right, we're about to get ready to start our sip and paint. So I love Riscato. And Keith likes Moet and Shine Dine. So let's get it.
What's going on, y'all? The Mack's back again. Getting ready to cook something up real good, man. A little Valentine's Day dinner. I'm cook for my wife. We got seafood mac and cheese, which I'm gonna put a variety of cheeses, Swiss and cheddar. Also with some shrimp and some Dungeness crabs. Got Dungeness crab right here. Got a whole crab. Say what's up to the crabby. Then after that, man, we're gonna pan sear some lamb chops and some asparagus, and I'm gonna throw some lobster tails in the oven to let them broil for a little bit. We got some nice dinner. Stay tuned. I don't know if y'all like eating the gills, but on seafood, man, I like eating gills, tails, all that. Shrimp, the tail is my favorite part. Man, I love it. Ain't that right, baby?
Yeah.
I picked the meat up out of here, though, man. When I pick the meat up out of these crab, this is the whole crab, especially blue crab, which is actually my favorite crab. Shout out to my folks in Savannah.
Right.
I be eating that, all the green and the orange stuff.
The doodoo.
I love the dookie. I ain't gonna lie, I do. I eat all that stuff, all the gills and everything. I eat it all. I ain't waste nothing. I ain't gonna waste nothing, huh?
You don't eat the dead man, do you?
Yeah, I eat everything. If it's in there, I eat it.
You eat the dead man?
What's the dead man?
Look like worms.
Yeah. Talking about these?
Yeah.
That's gills.
What?
Yeah, I eat them. That's
When
gills.
we were little, they would tell us not to eat that part. We call it dead
Man,
man.
I eat that junk all the time. Them gills.